nós temos que a salvar, dizer não à poluição, completar esta missão. A terra é o nosso lar, nós temos que a salvar, dizer não à poluição, completar esta missão. Tanta desflorestação estamos nós a causar, e o excesso de população não está a ajudar.
A vermicompostagem é um método de transformar matéria orgânica em composto para a nossa horta. Quem faz o trabalho principal neste caso são as minhocas, que vão acelerar o processo da degradação da matéria orgânica. A vermicompostagem é efetivamente uma mais-valia para a nossa horta. Isto porquê? Há duas grandes vantagens. A primeira vantagem é que há um aproveitamento dos resíduos, quer do refeitório, quer do bar. Portanto, reduz-se os resíduos que vão para incineração ou para aterro. A outra grande vantagem é o facto de termos um composto livre de qualquer tipo de químico, que não vai ter qualquer consequência para a saúde, na contaminação das toalhas freáticas ou da contaminação do solo.
Economically speaking, can this practice be profitable?
Yes, I think so. It's common to be asked this question: can organic farming feed the world? The answer is 70% of the food that humans eat comes from small-scale farmers. So, therefore, changing is easy. It's 1 to 3, and then 3 to 1. We'll go back to zeros every time we fail. And as we figure this out, then it's so easy to produce organically, just like it is in conventional farming. So the speed that you can put in conventional farming of the growth of a plant not necessarily means nutrition density. So when we analyze food, we should measure it by nutrition density and not just by numbers, volume, because I can have a huge plant and not have so much nutrients as a smaller plant has. So what we can do is, when we have a different approach, we will see and think, how should I prepare this soil for the soil to be able to grow that plant? Instead of thinking, I will plant this plant, what fertilizer can I buy to feed this plant so it can grow fast like a chicken? It's not this way. So farmers that understand ecological systems already are above this way of thinking. And I think the whole world one day will have to come into our ecological farming. Otherwise, the human race will suffer a lot with so many chemicals that we're using these days. It's a nonsense that when a baby borns on the umbilical cord, we will be able to detect, or science can detect, 100 and plus chemicals. So imagine the exposure that this baby will have, and in probably 10 more years you will have like 500 or 600 chemicals present in a human body. It's too many chemicals for the body to deal with. So we have to review the system we are using to produce food or human fuel, and we have to go backwards with the knowledge we have today and reinvent the production system with respect for the person that will be eating our product, just like it is human fuel.
What are the main differences between organic agriculture and permaculture?
Well, organic farming is certified, so we have to go by regulations that we are challenged with every time we do anything. So we can't use any synthesized chemicals. We can't recycle some materials that will alleviate bad products to the food system, which is to the producing system. And of course, in permaculture, there's specific techniques like mulching, like recycling every piece of material that they can find around them, that we are not tend to use, like tires or used tires from cars that are abundant will alleviate heavy metals. So we will not use that type of production system, because we have to think deep also concerning any chemical, synthesized chemical that will alleviate to food. So the difference is that permaculture, you have to have a larger landscape. You cannot have probably in terms of commercial cropping, you will not be as intense as organic farming can be, just like biodynamic also. So it's like slow food. It's a slow producing system, which is also beautiful and great to work with. You can see around you some examples of permaculture. And downwards, when you go to my greenhouses, you see bio-intensive production. So there's few differences between the systems.
Tanta desflorestação estamos nós a causar, e o excesso de população não está a ajudar. Tantas espécies de animais, tanta vegetação, e tudo a destruir-se graças à poluição. A terra é o nosso lar, nós temos que a salvar. Dizer não